Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. We're going to have on today's tech tutorial is going to be how to operate your remote power sliding doors and remote start. Now this is a 2015 Chrysler Town & Country. It's going to be about the same on anything with the power doors and the remote start. You can see it all starts with your remote. Now you can see that it is simply, you're going to see your doors right there, and if you just tap them twice, you're going to see that that door over there is opening. Tap them twice, that door opens, and then tap that one twice. Your lift gate is also going to open. Very convenient, very useful, nice feature to have. And again, to close everything back up, you simply just do everything again 2 times. You can see, going to start to close, and closing everything up there. That's simple. And for the remote start on this one, and these are going to be a little bit different in the sequence that you push the buttons from make to make, but basically it's going to work the same way. You're just going to lock it and then hit the start button 2 times, and fires right up. And again, this is just the tech tutorial on how to operate your power sliding doors and your remote start. If you'd like to see our inventory, visit citymotors.net. If you have any questions, you can call us at 540-433-7335. You can also text that number 24/7. We appreciate you. Thanks for stopping by.